to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath, but I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space.